How to find email on Spotify. Ever wondered which email is the link to your Spotify account? Don't worry. In this quick and simple guide, I'll show you exactly how to find your Spotify email in just a few taps. Stay tuned until the end to ensure you never lose access to your favorite playlists again. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. On the home page, tap the profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. On the next page, tap on the Account option. You will see your registered email address under the Email section if it was provided during sign-up. If the field appears empty, tap on the Email section to enter your email address, then save your profile to update the information.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.